Hi there, and welcome to StockSync. You can update or add Compare at Price to products with the matching column. On the matching column of the feed, find or select Compare at Price from the Store Product fields. Enter the column name or index for mapping. For the Compare at Price field settings, you can set the condition to markup or markdown products. Compare at Price. For example, to mark up the price by 50%, set rules as any price multiplied by 1.5. It will multiply all the prices by 1.5. The condition supports complex conditions for more use cases. Next is the Compare at Price delimiter that can be set accordingly. Choose from comma or decimal or leave it as auto. Next is the Compare at Price round, which is used to standardize the product's price. By default, the option would be the same as the price field. Set store value to blank when feed value is blank is used when the Compare at Price field to be set as blank if else. It will display as 0 even when the column value is blank. The currency converter is for converting the price from feed to store. For example, if the supplier feeds currency CAD and the store currency USD, enable the currency converter and enter the currency in the fields. Lastly, don't update the Compare at Price when the option excludes certain products from updating the Compare at Price using this option. It can be excluded by vendor, product type, and product tags. For example, don't update Compare at Price when vendor Adibus. All product Compare at Prices of vendor Adibus will not be updated. Once you are ready, click on Next, and all changes will be saved.